Nsem 247. Nsem 247. Nsem 247.
On the seat of August, and a helicopter, echo of Boise, it took a car, echo of Boise, and a gun of 1.4 echo crashy, a man come out, and crashy, and your shredder sign pain, gun of 40 hobia, none gun of 4 air wonder how a plane crash, and another helicopter crash, and air course is here. A bit shall say, guess, a bit shall say, speculate, a dear bear, a bear said now we may see, bear and a machine in yet, machine cry aircraft and quiet that, and say, being your can. Eno na chi eno mpanifo enya black box na ewo helicopter nim no black box no na contain evidence bia bi e call so nti omo de call amano na na se de kwabruchi ba bi ekohwehwe mu kwan a sa helicopter yi ni accident yi fa so esiye Monday na sa report no ebe kan mampanyini ensa ma committee enso wo a wode ama omo so omo hwehwe sa enema mi nti report abeka committee nsa na de call so ma plane no call so crash yi na bibia kasa full report ababo ntene on Nsem 247 so no me so say be subscribe to your channel no follow your all the social media platforms na ye no wa share the full report de call so ma sa accident no esi ya ma ye hwe mpanifo 8 no Captain Forjoe no a member of the committee and no hwehwe aircraft accident a esi enu no what the report ni na ababo ntene na report no okasa efa anyama bi ho eno na me no be kan ho asem
approached Obuasi. Visibility deteriorated rapidly due to mist and low clouds. At 9:56, the crew entered IMC, which is Instrument Meteorological Conditions. To the layman, it is they flew into clouds because they no longer could stay away from the clouds, so they flew into clouds and transitioned to IFR. Now, IFR is Instrument Flight Rules. So what it means is they now transitioned from navigating using visual cues to now navigation solely on the aircraft's instruments. Seconds before impact, the crew stated that they could see the high ground below, so they'd gone over it. Suddenly thereafter, the helicopter that was flying up without any change in its power or in the pitch which we use to go up and down suddenly lost height and impacted a ridgeline at about 1370 feet above sea level. And this was about 6.5 miles from the destination, and this happened at 9:58.
It is a yes, sha, ne to fa bomana say, yes, amaizi bibia na, enioma Forjoe no ye captain, okasa edfa ho ene ebi ene say, weather condition, oka about weather condition I call so, and no, eka ho bi na accident no ekosi ye, de to so bi the status of the aircraft, no na niam bi omu a we say wo mu a enim, and also a cause of accident, and also the event leading to that tragic accident I see, you know, Sanya Mano and Oboboso, in the friend 1 near Shishum, and had your cause of accident in Wankasa. According to Captain Forjoe, no person say, flights and almost a shabby biano, almost a share home and a fight in a tour, a bit in the and a flight and not also a 2 or anopa 8 a.m. 8 a.m. and also flight in it too. Now, due to weather condition, we are no crack, Kumase or Boss and Patamuntino. 9:12 and captain no 8 ye na I was set a drew Obuasi 50 minutes time inti plane no shall say 2 and a koye inti plane 2 na aircon no along the line no and captain na say visibility no enye clear sa no drew baby no necessary due to weather conditions say them din kan ye na enkanka na eduru baby Obuasi baby friend bo fie du if you all connect the na say captain no weda no hunu ye hunu niam so ye it is a visibility na na say sa crowd no bia na bebo esi e obi mu nti no eno no ka ho bi ene cause was accident yi ye to so bia mu so say route na plane fa so no o ma pilot ni enough information e fa sa route no so weather condition na e wo so sa abre no na wo say ye wo bibia attract ye hunu nenim dada say oduru sa bia we mu a ana say bia we a say ene wote we nya sa information no answer. It will also to us say the cause of accident due to environmental factors being in a downdraft nature so do baby no nature say plane na maintaining altitude be a jinani name was so baby no after the all of sudden mu ya na say eba form meanwhile so engine na say bibi sa no amomo signal say bibi mposa ebesi mu ya na say ade no eba form due to condition environmental factors bi and say bibi e fa na downdraft and na cause so sa plane no e ma ne ba form na che bra ba form sa no na che pilot no hu nanim kura eno na boa ya ma de no etimi ba be crash ya yetimi hwe ye mpanifo yi enyina no na person che niam bi nso wo plane no ho a na etosini eno so cause sa accident no afi wo ko su kire mu se niam bi nso a na eka ho a ma ne cause say there was no ground based navigational aids niam a na wo form aboja ebetimi ya navigate ana se betimi aboa no radar no eso no nke betimi aboa no ama wetimi afa route bi anke beboa no na yeni sa niam bi sa ewo ho afi so no na aircraft no how bi ewo ho niam bi wo ha na nka aircraft no ehia anka betimi aboa sa niam no so na etosini ewo aircraft no ho ba ko terrain awareness and warning system ba ko eno no da so bi enhance ground proximity warning system na wo say no so ewo plane nim na so na atosini ewo plane nim sa so na ewo advanced navigation with terrain mapping and also na any plane nim sa so na automatic flight control system aye friend no autopilot no na so edu baby na bi ni ehun aka anaze any plane nim sa nyema we mu nyina na keka bo mu a etimi cause sa accident it wade na asem ba we no o say e bia unfortunate sa de we see ye na emu mom de recommendation mi ba ye a o kire say sa recommendation no say aban ediso na se nyina ye boa ni se ediso a future bi no similar occurrences bi na say incident bi say intimi si and recommendation bi so e ba ye
should seriously consider establishing flight data monitoring and en route tracking systems. Finally, we believe that they need to acquire ground support equipment, modernize what they have. In conclusion, the helicopter accident was an unfortunate and sudden weather-related accident. Implementing the safety recommendations will prevent the reoccurrence of future accidents.
Recommendation omede ba abontene bi ene say modernize Ghana Air Force fleet with aircraft equipped with terrain awareness and modern navigation system. And was say a man aircraft modern navigation system bi wo mu cockpit ho no and I say radar no eso no navigation system kama wo so ebetimi abo afi so no install cockpit voice and flight data recorders. Ozi enya audiovisual cockpit voice and flight data bi awo mu a no so eboa atimi aboa na future bi sa intimanse afi so invest in simulator training for pilot afi so pilot was here training wo mo e kwan a omo betimi ehunu simulator ni mu na atimi ekoba ne say terrain conditions bi e kwan so a omo betimi amaduva omo way through na bibi say intimancy afi so no we should develop national and route navigational aids afi so no establish flight data monitoring and tracking system yemfasa anyama we mu na emra plane nim afi we should acquire a modernized ground support equipment to improve operational safety we mu nyina ye niama opanyine ne tutu dwa sese de gu akwa mu a ebetimi aboa ama future occurrences bi etese no ebetimi esi anokwan na asem ne ko ba yese de wo mse enya esi awie de nenso de ngofo kan senti na how bi sei e wo plane no ana se wo plane no na sa enya well equipped with enyama bi sei eni etimi hwe din se emfa mpanifo na metitrufo etese entu kwan ana se yentimi ama pilot no sa information bi sa ana wo sa kwan no so eni etimi hwe ma sa plane tu ye no nenso de benya si awie de aka na ye bo ho ban enti mpanifo se de esi de emo adidi o madi ko na de aka na ye bo ho ban ti se de be preventive future occurrences bi na bi se entimi nkosi biom emma akra bi enkohwere no sa na eman a omo de abai ebeboa na Ghana for yedin hyehyeye no so a timi aboa ama yenya well modernized aircraft bi a sa nyema nyina bi wom systems bi ni nyema bi se nyina wom na aboa etimi a prevent sa nyema wenum na ode twudwa ene afoforo pi ha ye 7247 na so subscribe to the channel no follow all the social media platforms na more and more updates about nyema ayekoso ebekoso aka kire busuafo so omo hyade ne na omo cheche omo hore na dia ba no nya ba awie enti yebehwe na mpanifo nso mfa ne mamu akwam ne nsi ne ma bi sei anokwan